Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how we press these Leatherette patches onto caps like this. In my last video I showed you how to take a Leatherette sheet and engrave and cut out a patch like this. If you missed that last video, you can go back and watch it here. But now that we have our patch ready, let's talk about actually pressing it onto a cap. For our cap today, I've chosen this Richardson 115 cap. It has just a little bit of a lower crown than the more popular 112 version. Now you can get caps several different places, but we have had good luck getting these caps from OpenTip. In fact, there is a link in the description below this video to where you can get a $20 coupon just by ordering through my link in the description. And that's a great deal. We're going to be using our Hotronix 360 IQ to press this patch. This heat press is amazing. It heats from the top and the bottom, giving you more control and a more consistent press. Now the settings that I'm going to give you is what works for us when we're using the Leatherette from JDS Industries. For these, we normally set the top heat to 285 degrees and the bottom to 300 degrees. It does take a few minutes to heat up, so plan ahead. If there's any filler in the cap, such as cardboard, go ahead and remove it. And then fold down the sweatband on the inside of the cap. Place it on the lower platen carefully because this platen is hot, remember? And then flip the lever on the side of the press to secure the cap to the platen. Now while the cap is here and warming up, I like to kind of smooth the front of the cap out. This helps to form it to the platen better, to minimize any creasing on the front of the cap. I have this set up to do two presses. First, we're going to do an 8-second pre-press where we're just warming up the cap. While it presses for 8 seconds, I peel the protective paper backing from off the patch, revealing the sticky adhesive. When the press pops up, I am ready to place my patch. For this one, I'm choosing the center of the cap, but you can be creative and put some patches on the side. We've done that. I feel pretty confident in myself just to eyeball it to center it up, but if you don't feel that confident, then go ahead and measure it out. The adhesive back will stick in place where you put it. Now I use the thinnest foam pad that came with the heat press, place it over the patch, and lower the press. This press will now go for 15 seconds and it is heavy pressure. Once it is finished, the press will automatically pop up itself and your cap is finished. It looks fantastic without any creases or anything on the front of the cap. And just like that, we have a custom cap that you can make for yourself or other customers. However, from experience, we don't give these caps out the day that we press them. The adhesive needs some time to bond to the cap, so we normally wait until the next day before we give these to the customers. Don't ask me how I know this. If you liked this video, then you'll probably also enjoy this one. In this video, I tell you how we engrave photos into wood using a Thunderbolt. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless.